Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to copy the link of a Facebook video. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, click on this play button down below at the bottom of the screen, which is the third option. Click on For You or either of these above categories at the top. Select the video and click on the More button indicated with 3 dots next to the X or Follow button. After that, you can find the copy link option. Tap on it, and as you can see, the link has been copied to clipboard, so you will be able to paste it and then you will be able to be directed to the video. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.